All right, here we go. Top of the ARC Trooper helmet. About 23 hours in total to print, and would have taken a lot longer, except no supports on the inside. Um, that is a trick that I learned probably way too late after I printed a ton of helmets. Um, Not a lot of people know that you can go into your slicer. I use Cura, and you can eliminate the supports on the inside. There would have been a ton in here, so I saved myself quite a bit of time, both in print and filament. And I'm going to show you how I did that because I wish somebody would have told me sooner.
All right, so here we are in Cura, and what I'm going to do is drag and drop the top, which you saw me just pull off the printer. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it right now, just so that you can see roundabout what time that it would have taken had we not eliminated some of the supports, which we're going to do. You have a day and 3 hours, so that's a little bit of a bummer. So what we are going to do is, and you can see if I go underneath the helmet here, there's by default, it's going to put a lot of supports here right in the middle. Um, what I'm going to do is create this little box here. I clicked on this window, which is support blocker. I looked at this window for years and never bothered to click on it, understand what it does. What it does is pretty awesome. What it does is allow me to take this little box and scale it just like a model, but what it is going to do is eliminate the supports wherever you put that box. So I'm going to scale this up and uncheck uniform scaling so I can size it just how I want it. Then I'm going to move it where my supports would be. And you can see here that the box is over the supports. Um, Here we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit slice again. And we'll wait for a moment for it to finish. And now we're down to 23 hours and 14 minutes. Awesome. So we shaved a whole bunch of time. We saved a whole bunch of filament because these supports in the center will not print. They are completely unnecessary on almost any large format printer. Again, something I wish I would have known probably years ago before I started printing these helmets. So hopefully this helped you. I know that it helped me. Please feel free